If you're looking for a way to accept global payments for your course, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to easily set up a system that lets you accept payments from anywhere in the world without the headache. First things first, it's important to know that not all payment processors are created equal. If you're serious about expanding your reach globally, you need a solution that supports multiple currencies and regions. I've tested out some of the most popular ones and found that some are easier to integrate, while others offer better rates or more advanced features. But in this video, I'll focus on a solution that covers all the bases. Easy to use, reliable, and flexible for accepting global payments for your course. So, what's the easiest way to get started? The first step is choosing the right software. The one we'll be using today is simple to integrate, whether you're using a platform like Teachable, Thinkific, or even a self-hosted solution. It integrates seamlessly with your course platform, meaning no extra tech skills are required. This software lets you accept payments via credit cards, PayPal, and even international payment systems like Alipay or Stripe, all in one place. Once you sign up, the first thing you'll want to do is set up your account. Go through the setup wizard where you'll enter basic info about your business and set up payment preferences. Be sure to enable multiple currencies if you want to accept payments globally, as this will automatically convert payments from different countries into your preferred currency, saving you time and extra fees. Next, you'll connect your course platform to your payment processor. This is a critical step. Depending on the software you're using, there should be an option to link directly to your payment gateway, whether that's Stripe, PayPal, or something else. Follow the instructions, and within a few clicks, your course will be ready to accept global payments. Now, one of the biggest advantages of using this software is the ability to set up automatic invoicing and receipts. This is a game changer for your students and for your business. With this system in place, you'll be able to send automated receipts and keep track of all your transactions without having to manually follow up. Plus, the software will help ensure your payment pages are secure, protecting both you and your students. What about transaction fees? This software is transparent with its pricing structure, so you'll know exactly what you're paying for. Unlike some other platforms, which charge high fees for international payments, this one offers competitive rates, especially for cross-border transactions. The last thing you'll want to do is test your payment system. Before launching, make sure you do a test payment to ensure everything's working smoothly. This way, you can guarantee a seamless experience for your students when they purchase your course. So, what's the key takeaway? To accept global payments for your course, you need a payment processor that integrates easily with your platform, supports multiple currencies, and offers transparent fees. The software we're using today does all that. And the best part is, you can get an exclusive free trial if you check out the link in the description below. Here's a quick recap. First, sign up for the software, set up your account, enable multiple currencies, connect to your course platform, and then test it out before going live. This will ensure that your course is ready to accept global payments without any hassle. Before you go, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial available only to my viewers. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.